How to screenshot a snap without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can screenshot a snap on Snapchat without letting others know. Now, if you open Snapchat app and if you head into chats here, you'll be able to see all your chats and snaps you have sent and received, all your chat history with your friends. However, as you know, if you open up a snap and take a screenshot, then they will get notified that you have taken a screenshot. But here, as you can see that I'm already screen recording, and if I open up a snap, they won't be notified about it. You can see there is no any notification. I just opened the snap here, but there is no notification. So what you can do is head into your app store, or if you have your in-device screen recorder, you can use one to screen record and then later screenshot it, whatever you want. Or if not, you can head into your app store and search in for screen recorder and download any screen recording apps. What you want to do is install it and give it all the permissions and start screen recording, and you can head into Snapchat and take a quick video, and then what you can do is later screenshot from the video. So this way you can screenshot a snap without them knowing. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.